part of my professional development and ways to engage students with the outdoors for my classroom, for the school, I took a Michigan Conservation Stewards Program certification class this fall. Just completed it. Maybe almost completed is what we should say, because my project, along with a couple of my classmates, is to deal with Phragmites australis, the common reed, which is an invasive species that has invaded this pond on campus. So we're going to try to remove it all, which is going to be a several-year process. This is going to benefit students because they're going to get the chance to see how do we remove an invasive species, the timeline in dealing with this ornamental that has gone out into the environment and is wreaking havoc on our natural spaces. And we're hooking in with the Great Lakes Phragmites Commission and their Phragmites Adaptive Management Framework, where we'll be providing data to them and they'll be giving us guidance back. We'll implement the guidance and we'll repeat the process over and over and over again.